Hello all. I'm hoping that this works the first time. This actually works, but I'm hoping that I can record this correctly the first time. You're going to love this. So I put ChatGPT Vision into the game on the user's point of view. Now, this could be used on characters or NPCs in games, but it could also be used in your mobile phone or anything else. So I'm hoping that this gets recorded correctly. And this is built on top of my Dream Gaussian thing, so theoretically I could just create an object and put it in here as well. But in a few seconds...
This image appears to be from within a 3D simulation or virtual environment. Here are the elements visible in the scene. 1. A digital skybox simulating a starry night sky at the horizon line blending to daylight at the top. 2. A wooden fence on the left side. 3. A traffic cone on the ground in the center left of the image. 4. A speed limit 25 road sign with an orange, angular base that seems to be constructed from virtual blocks or tiles. 5. A street light next to the speed limit sign, with 2 lights, mounted on a black pole. 6. A large, cubic, white storage container that might symbolize a shipping container or industrial tank placed on a wooden pallet. 7. A blue, semi-transparent dome-like structure with a hexagon grid texture, possibly illustrating a futuristic building or shelter. 8. The floor has a grid texture and appears as a flat, expansive surface which is likely the ground of the virtual environment. All elements appear as 3D models and lack the complexity of detail that would make them indistinguishable from real-world objects. The shadowing and lighting suggest a simple environmental setup commonly used in 3D graphics software or video games.
There you go. I am very happy with that. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you've seen that here first. And oh yeah, that's why I'm wearing this. It's Christmas time. I get to play with the coolest tech.